Welcome back, guys. We've all seen these channel rings, haven't we? You can get them all over the place now, all over the internet and Amazon and different websites. You can buy them as blanks. I used to buy the blanks, but now I make my own because I've got the means to do that. And the idea is you've got a channel that runs the center of the peripheral of the ring. It's about 1.5 mil deep in some cases, and you fill that channel with whatever you want, whether it's a memorial ring with ashes or pigment or opal or abalone, whatever you want. You can fill it, put a nice finish over the top, and then it'll last for years. Now, I wanted to make a pendant that kind of complements this style of channel. So I've been working on it for a couple of weeks now, and I started out just making some different designs and just working out how it's going to be done and the process of the steps to do it on a lathe like mine. And there's another one. I've done loads of them, just seeing where I could put the hole or how deep to go and various things. And then eventually I came up with this one. You may have seen it on my TikTok and all that sort of stuff. And I found this was the best one to do. So the hole is up the top there. This one's actually crushed up GPS agencies, glow in the dark stuff, acrylic stuff. Now I'm at the stage now where I can actually make one of these for a person that wants her dad's ashes or her uncle's ashes in there. We're almost there. The only thing I've got to figure out now is, because the difference in speed right in the middle there, can you see that? Just there, if I hold it steady. Just got to figure out how to sand and buff the center of it, because that moves a lot differently to the outside. So, but I'll probably do that by hand. And you'll probably get the same on the back if it wasn't for my fingers marking all up. But yeah, so you get it right in the center there, but it's not so bad on this one. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through the process of actually making one of these now from our 316 marine grade stainless. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and press a like. That'll help me a lot, and maybe even share the video out if you don't mind. I really will appreciate that. Right, let's get to it, shall we? So similar to wood turning, you get these ribbons of the material that you're shredding off of your main piece. These are like little razor blades. Look, I've just cut myself just pulling a tangle from around there. Obviously I turn the lathe off. You got to turn the lathe off. You can't, I mean, this will cut straight through your finger without any problem. Look at it, it's like little razor blades. Anyway, so if you're going to try this, guys, when you come across this, be careful.
So that's the back. Just something a little bit different, isn't it? Looks alright though, doesn't it? Look at that. It's cool, isn't it? The way it does that. Very simple to do as well. Anyway, so we're going to start getting this all cleaned up and the sheets put in there. So, what do you think? Turned out okay, didn't it? There was a few occasions where I thought maybe I'm going to have to start this one again. Like when I was drilling the hole, it was drifting a little bit too close to that pigment. This is brown pigment, by the way. And then I thought I'd muck this up on the back. But it turned out okay. First time I've ever done that, and I made my own tooling to do that with as well. But I'm happy with it, and I think the new owner's going to be happy with it too. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think this complements the old channel rings? I don't know. That's my thought anyway. Maybe I can make a ring and a pendant with the same ashes or whatever anyone wants in it for, you know, two different people. But there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.